Whoa!
That could be another 3, dude.
Yeah, to get my giant.
Yes! Fantastic.
Woo!
Let's go!
There you go.
Let's go! I took the camera off because it's snowing, but here we go. Got a nice, what I'm assuming is going to be 3 pounds. He just choked the jig. I'm going to get a quick weight on him. There we go. 3 pounds, 14 ounces. A nice fat fish. Up shallow on the rocks. Hey, you're on camera catching one. Oh, well, I said camera again. You don't like that. What?
Look how he's dogging me.
He's really fighting you, huh?
He really is.
It's just the favorite rod.
Yeah.
We really got a little spot here with fish. I'm gonna mark this.
Oh, baby.
Go.
Pretty solid.
Yeah.
Not good. That is going to be 3 pounds, but I said. I was like reeling it in, and he just like.
Cast back there.
He just like stopped it. Big fish, eh? Giant.
Good way to keep him down. Oh god, watch my jig. Dude. God damn it.
Yes!
Let's go,
Yes, man.
dude.
Yes!
Oh my god.
Yes! Oh! Let's go! Oh, God!
I'm gonna make a cast back there quick.
What the hell just happened? Look at this thing! Look at this thing!
Like that's gotta be 4.5.
I'm thinking close to 5. We hit 4.5 all day. Get a fish, by the way. People watching.
What is it?
5'3".
No way. Are you kidding me, dude?
Oh! Sweet mother of
Hold on,
God.
grab the scale quick. I'll take a picture of the scale so you get that. Oh, he's alright.
He was way tucked up next to the shore.
You are really testing that rod.
I'm really testing this fluoro too. Should I be boat flipping with like a light action rod?
No.
No, is that going to stop me from doing it?
I broke mine on a rock bass.
Only might be 2 pounds. Probably not.
Crappie. Oh my god, it's a white one.
Yes! Never got one of these.
Take a picture of that one.
It's a pretty good one too.
Yeah, ain't bad. What's he doing up on the
I
rocks?
don't know. Glad I didn't set the hook really hard on him though.
You got one?
Yeah, big.
Turn us around. Maybe not. Oh, it's not that big. You're way under the boat.
I don't think he's that big.
He wasn't that big.
I'd fight hard.
Oops. Try not to put you in the boat in the water here.
Fighting on 3 pounds. Did he jump on the other side of the
Yeah. He looked like about the same size. Yeah. There we go. Another one.
A lot of cookie cutter size though.
Yeah. Future giant.
Yeah. Future 5 pounds.
Here, I'm just gonna turn us around. Yeah, doesn't feel big. It's gonna suck trying to.
You can just keep the boat up here. That ain't bad.
He's not bad. Alright, where are you at? Oh, he just popped off too. You able to get out? Let's do this quick. Come here, guy. There we go. Quick little switch to the shaky head. Nice 2.5 pounder. See ya. Bass.
He like, he's giving small head shakes, but he's dogging you like a big fish. Whatever.
He's alright.
He'll do. Hey, this carpet actually looks dry enough now.
Yeah.
That one's cute.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, sweet. That one might be laying eggs.
0. Oh.
I think it's a bit. It might be a 3 pounder.
Look like a 3. Why do they gotta do it like this? Why can't they come in normal?
Yeah, why? These fish fight so hard.
Extra strength because it's warm. Just turn it on. Go out. There you go. I told you to cast back because I got bit by a fucking crappie.
Yeah, man, I just catch a 3 pounder.
And instead of me casting back. Ah! Nope.
I think he's hooked pretty good.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to be caught.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, I'll bring him back to you this way.
Maybe.
There you go.
That's
Oh
a
my God.
3.
Yeah.
I may have to put the stupid Ned
Yeah.
rig on.
I think that might be the deal.
Man.
Just like bring it up and maybe spot lock.
Yeah, well, I'll try. Maybe if I can
That
face
might
her
be-
into the wind.
I think that's 3.5.
That's probably, yeah, it looks like another one of those 3.5s that we caught.
Are you freaking serious?
315.
No. No.
You're gonna reweigh and it's gonna be less. Don't do it.
It said H at 315. I'll just say that a couple ounces of water dripped off of it.
He's 315.
It's
He's got to be like, if on like a point scale, he'd be like a 3.95.
3.99. I'll get it. I love it.
Like, how fun would it be to throw like a square bill down this bank and just have him crush it?
I feel like we catch a lot more fish using this stuff.
Yeah. Keep going.
It's like a square bill with my biscuit. There you go. That's how you get fish, huh?
Yeah, it feels like a decent bass.
Might swim net it since I'm off anyway. Even like small fish had shakes, but he's big.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
that would be a big fish. Walleye.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh yeah,
Oh, he's alright. Maybe he'll reach 3.
for sure. He's long.
You got trolling motor. Oh, he feels heavy. Oh yeah, that one's gonna reach 3. Let's go. This could be my third 3-pounder though. I'm catching these fish. I'll take that. Cause I gotta start the new list for the year.
I get to have a fish for 5 this year.
Oh, that's a good fish.
Yeah. He doesn't look like one of the 3/8, but he might be. He's long.
Yeah, 3. 3.2. I can see it. Wait. Okay, it's a 3.6.
3/6.
It was reading -4.
Want a picture?
Yeah. Hold on. Other one.
Yeah, it's little guy.
Oh, jeez. He tried to jump the rod out of your
Whoa.
hand.
I'm really glad those other boats aren't down here. Yeah.
I know. With the wind down here, like, we probably shouldn't. It's just be easier. Nice one. There we go.
This one's got like a lateral line comes all the way up on his gill plate.
Oh, that's weird.
I've seen that before. On both sides too.
He's got to use his crankbaits. That's why. But yeah, it's kind of bad action.
Yeah, that's not good. That's good. Yes, Derry. Get it. Actually, a big fish.
No.
You can say the head shake. I'll make you doubt. I just got this right there too. That's you.
Little one on the Ned. Okay. Oh well, you could have got doubled up. Crappie Masters.
Man, we gotta get a picture of this.
Yeah, this is a bit bigger than mine. Mine just looks like one you'd catch back home.
Well, here's the white crappie.
Oh. No, it's a black one. Heck yeah.
Get a cute little picture. Who'd have thunk?
You're
Oh yeah. Let me get.
alright.
Go.
Double release.
See ya. Why does it actually look so good? That was the hardest plastic that I ever put on a. They are so strong. Look at that. Big old crap valve. Well, they are.
Now this one's pretty black too.
You guys did well with those plastics.
Yeet. Maybe this is when the jig's gonna start to come into play again. Yeah. I don't think he's that bad, but definitely worth netting.
Pretty solid one. Oh wait, no. Yeah, it's pretty solid.
Up here. Here.
I got distracted.
Haha.
I got distracted by this crop.
Oh, he just inhaled that Ned rig. It's a bluegill.
Alright.
Skin hooked right in the middle of the mouth.
What else can I catch?
I don't know what else is in you. There we go. I don't. That's the.
Oh!
That's a big one here. Keep him on.
Keep him in the water. Coming up, coming up, coming up. Oh, no. Get him! God
He's
damn.
under the boat. I can't, Dustin. Get him out from under the boat. Pretty good one. That one might be 3.
That one looks identical to the one you just.
Yeah. Oh, he looks a little bigger.